PianoEasy4U, Level A, Lesson number 3. In this lesson, you will learn how to play simple melodies using your right and left hand, applying mixed position of 2 and 3 black keys. Also, you will learn what is a time signature and how to play a whole note. Let's begin. Before we begin, let's review what is a quarter note and what is a half note. Remember the trick with an apple? So, if we cut this apple in 4 equal pieces, we will receive 4 equal quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each quarter is equal 1 piece. Similarly, as a quarter note is equal 1 beat. Now, if we combine together 2 quarters, we receive a half of an apple, and this half is equal 2 pieces. Similarly, like a half note is equal 2 quarters. If we put all quarters together, we receive a whole apple. So that's why a whole note is equal 4 beats, 4 quarters. I hope it helps. Lesson 3, exercise 1. In this exercise, you will find a bunch of quarter notes along with the 3 half notes. Don't forget that they are 2 beat long, and also a whole note at the very end of this composition. Additionally, you will find a repeat sign, a double bar line with 2 dots, so it means you have to repeat this melody twice. And you will find a new sign, a time signature at the beginning of the composition. The time signature is a combination of 2 numbers. The upper number indicates how many beats you can find in each measure. In this case, it will be 4. And the bottom number indicates the value of each beat. 4 represents a quarter note. In other words, it means that you will find a quarter note or its equivalent in every measure. Let's take a look. Measure number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure number 2, 1, 2, and the third note is equal 2 beats because it is a half note, which means it's 3, 4. So in every measure, you will find 4 beats. This is called a time signature. Now, let's try to play this song. As you see, the stems are pointing down. It means that your left hand will begin. Position your left hand on 3 black keys with your finger number 2, 3, and 4, and your right hand on the 2 black keys with your finger 2 and 3. Left hand will begin with the finger number 2. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, half note, 3, 3, 3, half note, 2 right hand, 2, 2, half note, left hand, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The very last note was a whole note, that's why I hold it for 4 beats. Well done, everyone. Now we will repeat it one more time with a repeat sign. So left hand to begin, 3 black keys, finger number 2. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, half note, 3, 3, 3, half note, 2 right hand, 2, 2, half note, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, repeat sign. Excellent! Well done, everyone. Please play exercise number 1 one more time before you start exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, you will find some quarter notes, half notes, and a whole note along with a repeat sign. The time signature for this exercise is 4/4. which means that you have 4 quarter notes or its equivalent in every measure. Let's check it out. You have 2 half notes in the measure number 1, and each half note is equal to beats. Therefore, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. In the bar 2, you have 2 quarters followed by a half, which means you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2 half notes equal 4 beats, and 2 quarters with a half note is equal 4 beats as well. So, time signature 4 fourths, 4 quarter notes in each measure. Now let's begin. You position your right hand on 2 black keys with your finger number 2 and 3, and the left hand on the 3 black keys with the fingers number 2, 3, and 4. Left hand to begin because the stamps are pointing down, and you will start with a half note, which means you have to stay for 2 beats. Let's begin. 1, 2, third finger, 1, 2. Half note again. Right. Fourth finger, third finger. Be ready to switch. 2, 3. Wait here. Right hand. 3. Half note. 2. Half note. Left hand. 2, 3, 4. Half note. Wait. 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. You remember that the fingering can be found above or below the notes. So use your fingers to read the music. The fingering helps to read the music. So let's play one more time. And this time we will include a repeat sign. Left hand to begin with finger number 4. 4. Wait. 3. Wait. 2, 3, 4. Wait. 4. Wait. 3. Wait. 2 switch hand. 2, 3. Wait. 3 right hand to continue. 2. Switch the hand. 2, 3, 4. Wait. 4, 3, 4. 2, 3. Repeat sign. Well done! We did 2 times. Please repeat one more time before starting exercise number 3. Hello, my dear friends. Guess what? Break time! Did you know that the first piano was invented in about 1703 by an Italian inventor, Bartolomeo Cristofori? The first piano was called clavicembalo col pianoforte, which means a keyboard playing soft and loud sounds. Interestingly, the layout of keyboard itself was very different. Those keys that we used to see white these days, they were actually black, and vice versa. The keys that we see black, they were white. At that time, there were other keyboard instruments, for example, a harpsichord. The difference between a harpsichord and a piano is the way how they produce the sound. As you remember from the last class, the piano produces the sound when the hammer hits the string, something like this. While harpsichord produces the sound when the special device plugs the string, something like this. So the sound was very, very different. Just to compare, here is the grand piano. And here is a harpsichord. I hope you are enjoying. Now it's time to come back to your practice. Exercise number 3. In this exercise, you will need to play it 3 times, but also to add a time signature. So let's take a look how many beats and how many quarter notes do we have in each measure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 beats in each measure. So we put 4 on top, and each beat is equal a quarter. So it's represented by number 4. Therefore, the time signature here is 4/4. Now, let's play this song. Position your right hand on 2 black keys here, your left hand on 3 black keys with the finger number 2, 3, and 4. And since the stems are pointed up, you will begin with your right hand. Finger number 3 to begin. 3, 2, 2 left hand, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. The same. 3, 2, 2, 2 left hand, 2, 3 half note, 1, 2 right hand to continue. 3, 2, 2 left hand, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 right hand, 3, 2, 2 left hand, 2, 4, 2, 3. Repeat sign. Well done! So we played 1 time. You will need to play 2 more times before you continue with exercise number 4. Well done, everyone! Exercise number 4, you will need to play Mary Had a Little Lamb that can be found in exercise number 1 as a piano duet. And first, let's review the exercise number 1. You will begin with your left hand, finger number 2. Excellent, well done. Now, let's play it together as a piano duet. To play it together, we need to start at the same time. So, I will signal and give the sign. That's how we start together. Are you ready? Done! Good job! In the exercise number 5, you will need to add time signature, bar lines, and fingering and play it 3 times. In the exercise number 6, you will need to compose your own melody. The information about how to compose your melody can be found in the video attached to the description below. Finally, in the exercise number 7, you will need to answer some questions in order to review what you have learned during lesson number 1, 2, and 3. Good job, everyone! Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. More information about how to play piano duet can be found in the next video. The link is attached in the description below. Also, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I will respond to your questions as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment, subscribe. See you soon.